In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share password in Bitwarden. We'll use the Bitwarden Web Vault and a feature called Send, which creates a secure, one-time style link you can share instead of pasting sensitive data into email or chat. This approach helps reduce the risk of your password lingering in inboxes or screenshots. Start by opening the Bitwarden Web Vault in your browser and signing in. Once you're in your vault, look to the sidebar and choose Send. This is where you create and manage secure shares. Next, select New Send. You'll see options for what kind of content you're sharing. Choose text since we're sharing a password or other sensitive text rather than a file. Give your send a clear, neutral name. This is for identifying the share later, so avoid putting any sensitive details here. Something like temporary access works well. Then in the text field, paste the password or the exact information your recipient needs. Keep it concise and include only what's necessary. The less you expose, the safer your share will be. Before saving, take a moment to dial in the security settings. Choose a deletion date so the send automatically removes itself after a set time. Shorter lifespans reduce the window of exposure. Next, check who can view and pick the access option that fits your situation. This determines how broadly the link can be opened. Limit views allows you to cap how many times the link can be accessed. A single view is often sufficient and adds an extra layer of safety. You'll also see an option to hide your email address from viewers. Turning this on adds privacy for you by keeping your contact details out of the recipient's view. If you want to keep context for yourself, add a private note. This note stays with you inside Bitwarden and isn't visible to the recipient, which is handy for reminders like why you shared the item or when you plan to rotate the password. When everything looks right, click Save. Bitwarden will generate a unique, secure link for your send. Finally, choose Copy Link. You can now paste that link into your usual communication channel. Let your recipient know that it may expire or be limited to a certain number of views so they open it promptly. That's all there is to it. You've shared sensitive information the safe, modern way, with control over visibility, expiration, and privacy, without exposing anything more than necessary.